ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Monica Braganza. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, once again we are here. But before we start, let's revise what we have already learned. Okay, come on, tell me, till which alphabet you have learned? Yes, anybody can try? Yes, come on. Very good. We have learned till letter L. Very good. But before we move on to our next alphabet, we are going to revise it. Okay? So all of you repeat after me. Come on. A. Very good. All of you loudly. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J, K, L. Okay. So all of you are knowing till L. Now, today we are going to take one new alphabet. Which alphabet is that? Yes, M. Okay. All of you look here. Which alphabet is this? Come on, all of you say M. And can you see one picture? What is that? Can anyone tell? Correct. It is a mango. All of you like to eat mango? Yes? Yes, it is favorite fruit of all of you. Okay? So I am going to show you something. Okay. Now look here. What I am having in my hand? Yes? Correct. This is a mango. Okay, look here. Can you see mango? What is the color of this mango? Yes? Yellow. You know why this mango is yellow? Yes, because it is ripe. Okay, now smell. Yes. How is the smell? It smells sweet. Okay, suppose instead of this, if I take raw mango, can you tell me the color? Yes, anyone? Very good. It will be green. Okay, but when it ripes, what is the color of the mango? Yellow. Okay. Now look, if I cut this mango, can you say what color will be inside? Yes, it will be orange. Okay. Now look here. Can you tell me one animal starting with letter M? I'll tell you something. That animal has 2 ears, 4 legs, and a long tail. Which animal is that? Okay, I'll give you one more thing. I'll tell you. That animal jumps from one tree to another. Which animal is that? Yes, correct. Monkey. Where you see monkey? In jungle, in forest. Okay, monkey can jump from one tree to another. Okay, so now 2 things we learn. M for mango and M for monkey. Now look here. Which alphabet is this? Yes, correct. N. Okay. Now can you see which body part is this? Look at your body. Stand in front of a mirror and look to yourself. Okay. Now show me your finger. Now touch that body part. Can you see? Here, touch. Okay. What it is? Yes. Come on, tell. It is a nose. Okay. All of you touch your nose. Show your finger. All of you show your finger. Touch your nose. Yes. What do you do with your nose? Come on, all of you tell me. Yes, we breathe. Now, what else I am doing with that nose? See, I smell. Okay, We smell with our nose. What we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. Now, look at your body again. One more body part is there that start with letter N. What is that? Come on, touch. What is this? Yes, neck. What it is? Neck. So, two body parts are there. Which are they? And for nose, all of you touch your nose. Show your finger. Touch your nose. Very good. Now do one thing. Okay, you all can go to your mummy or daddy. Now, go and touch their nose. Tell me, how many nose your mummy and daddy have? 2? No? Yes, they also have one nose. All of us have one nose. Okay? So, N for nose. N for nose. Okay. After this, look here. Which alphabet is this? O. Okay. Now, when you say O, all of you look at your lips. O, it will be round. Can you see O? How O is? It is round. Now, come on, all of you with me. Say O. Now, look at your lips. Stand in front of a mirror and look at your lips. Come on, say O. Which letter is this? O. Okay. Which fruit? See, look here. Which fruit is there with O? Yes. O for orange. Now tell me. Orange. That fruit is orange. But what is the color of that fruit? Correct. It is orange in color. So O for orange. All of you have drink orange juice, right? Yes. It is sometimes sweet and sometimes little sour. Okay. Now, you have to tell me one bird which start with alphabet O. Which bird is that? Come on, try. It has got big eyes. And you see it at night time. Which bird is that? Owl. Have you seen owl? No? Okay, you can see the picture of an owl. Okay. So, O for owl. O for orange. O for owl. Very good. Now, which alphabet is this? Yes? Correct. It is P. Which alphabet is this? P. Okay. Now look at this picture. Yes, you are familiar with this picture. What is that? Correct. It is a park. Which park? Have you seen this park? Yes, it is in a school. Okay. When you go in the park, what you do? You study there. You write? No. Then what you do? Yes, we play. Where you play? We play in a swing. All of you like to sit in a swing, right? In slide and seesaw. Correct? Up and down. Up and down. Okay? So, P for park. I'll show you one more thing. Starting with alphabet P. Look here. What is this? Come on, tell. Yes, correct. This is a pencil. What you do with a pencil? What we do? Come on, we eat? No? Then what you do? Yes, we write with a pencil. In book, we write with a pencil, correct? Okay, so P for park and P for pencil. Now, we'll move on to next alphabet. What is that? Q. What it is? Q. Okay. Now look here. What it is, you know, children? Have you seen a bird? Okay. All of you stand up first of all. Okay. All of you fly like a bird. Come on. Yes. What bird has? Bird have feathers. And that one feather. Have you seen this type of feather? Yes. We call it quill. So, Q for quill. And, okay, what you do when you stand for assembly? Yes, we all are good children. So, we stand in a line. So, when you stand in a line, we say Q. What we say? Q. When you board a bus, when you want to get in a bus, how you should stand, children? We must stand in a line. So, that we call it a Q. So, Q for quill, Q for Q. Okay, again repeat. Q for quill, Q for Q. Now, what is this? Which alphabet? Yes, R. Okay. Can you see here? Which animal? Which? Yes, rabbit. How many ears rabbit have? 1? No, 2 ears. How many ears you have? Come on, touch your ears. Touch. How many ears you have? 2. Rabbit also have 2 ears. Now, how many legs you have? All of you touch your legs. How many legs you are having? 2 legs. Now see, rabbit is also having 2 legs, right children? No? Then how many? Correct. 4. Animals have 4 legs. We have 2 legs, okay? So R for rabbit. Now, I will tell you one more thing starting with R, which has got sweet smell. Okay. For that, what you have to do, you know? You have to see around your garden. There are different types of flowers. So, that flower that is of red color, it comes in different color. Red, pink, white, sometimes yellow. And it smells sweet. Which flower is that? Yes, good. It is rose. So, R for rabbit, R for rose. Again, children, we are going to revise all this. And every day you have to practice at home. Okay? So, all of you repeat after me. M for mango. Again, M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. Show me your nose here. No? Yeah. Very good. O for orange. O for orange. P for park. Come on, look here. P for park. Q for quill. Q for quill. And R for rabbit. Again, R for rabbit. So children, be a good children. Every day you have to revise all this so you can study well. Okay children, take care.